This is a schematic diagram of a typical electric circuit which we'd seen earlier. This is a cell and this is a bulb. And this is a plug key. Do you remember what a plug key is? Like a switch, it tells us if a circuit is closed or not. And the ammeter here is the instrument which measures electric current in a circuit. The ammeter is always connected in series in a circuit through which the current is to be measured. What about a few of the other commonly used components in the circuit? How are they represented? Let's understand the common symbols on a new page. The most important part of a circuit is the electric cell, which is represented like this. It has a positive terminal and a negative one. What if we have more than one cell in the circuit? Yes, a combination of cells is represented like this. We don't need to put the positive and negative sign for each cell. Doing it just once at the start and the end is enough. We've already seen what a plug key or a switch is. It's used to open or close a circuit. Plug key symbols for open and closed circuits are shown like this, and for switches it's shown like this. These two represent an open circuit in which electricity will not flow, and these two represent a closed circuit in which the electricity will flow. How do we represent two wires which are joined? A wire joint is represented like this, a line perpendicular to another at a point. Sometimes wires also cross each other without joining. Like one wire goes above the other without any contact. It's represented like this. It's shown as if one wire jumps over the other without any contact. As an electric bulb is most commonly used when a circuit is drawn on paper, a symbol was made to represent it in an easy way. Like this. We know that a resistor is something that limits the flow of electric current. The resistor or resistance is shown like this. You can think of them as speed breakers which slow down the speed of the vehicles. Sometimes we also have resistors which can be used to control the current. They are called variable resistors or rheostats. They are represented like this or like this. It shows that the resistance value can be adjusted as required, which in turn will control the current. And then we have the ammeter and the voltmeter, which are used to measure the current and the voltage respectively. They are represented as A and V within circles. Note that ammeters are always connected in series, while voltmeters are connected in parallel. So these were the basic symbols we had to know when it comes to electric circuits. We will understand the Ohm's law in the coming videos.